Now the script prints only correct lines, so the verification of that can be difficult when we don't print also line numbers. So let's do that. Let's do also line numbering. For that, we will define variable lines before start of a while loop, and we will assign value 0 to it. And into while loop, where lines are read one by one, we need to increment that variable lines. So this was simple. Now we can print value of lines variable to user. We can do that using printf command, which allows us to do better formatting of text than echo command itself. So, by specifying %4s, we saying that we want to have printed value of variable lines in the first 4 character place. That basically means we have prepared 4 character places for our variable. Benefit is that 1-digit number will be placed on the 4th place, 2-digit number on the 3rd and 4th place, so we will have nice indentation. You will definitely see it when we will do testing of it. Now imagine that we have 1000 lines in our file. Our script goes line by line and print them. So as a result, you would see how content of our file is bigger and bigger until last line is read. I think that best would be to display all lines at once, as for example cut command does. How to do that? We can redirect all output we are printing to user to some temporary file, and at the end of reading lines, we can using cut command print those lines at once. So let's redirect line numbering into temporary file. And also redirect correct line to that file also. After done keyword, where all lines were read, we can print all lines at once from our temporary file using cut command. And because this is temporary file, we don't want to keep this file, we can just remove it. So we have moved all output printed to screen and redirected to a file, and then after the last line were read, we are displaying content of temporary file at once. If we test it by running our script, we see line numbering. Great! I don't see first and third line as they contains space or tab errors. But after line number, would be good to use colon for better readability. So add that colon after the value of variable lines. And we can retest it. Now we see line numbering, which looks good.